To start replacing the blower motor, we need access underneath this panel. So I'm going to start by popping up this cover and removing the 3 Phillips head screws that you see up front here. Now you want to open the glove box and you'll see 4 Phillips head screws up here. You want to remove those as well. Now you can take the glove box, pull this piece down, snap it out of place, and then you just pry out on this. Oh, there we go. And it should all come apart. Here you can see the blower motor from underneath. Let's unplug it. Now with a Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to remove these 3 screws. And the blower motor will come right out. This one had some debris in it, but basically that's it. That's how you remove it. Here's your old blower motor. Let's get the new one in. Let's get the new blower motor in, line it up with the 3 mounting holes, and I'm going to start in this screw just so I can have it being held in place. Now I can start in the other 2. Okay, make them nice and snug. That's the last one. Now we can plug it in. At this point you can test it out if you want to. Let's get the glove box in. This light that popped out, I'm going to have to plug it back in, then line up all the mounting clips for it and snap it into place. Okay, now let's put in all the screws that held it up. Close the glove box. Let's put the screws in that held it down below. Nice and snug. Perfect. There you go. That's how you install the blower motor.